Disclaimer. The food items being reviewed and tasted were all bought out of pocket by the GOAT, or the greatest of all Titos, and none of which were provided by the food provider or restaurant and topic. All comments and reactions in this video are genuine, and that the food provider or restaurant had no input or influence whatsoever. As always, the opinions and reactions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect the opinions of all Titos or uncles around the world. Possibly a few, but definitely not all.
So here we are again with another food review. This time, a new product that's coming from Pizza Hut. Everybody loves pizza. I mean, you know, that would be like, yeah, everybody loves pizza, me included. So when Pizza Hut announced this new product, I had to jump in. I don't know why it's priced this way, but this is, according to the website and according to Grab, this is cheaper than their regular pizza, their regular crust. Kasi including this one, Pizza Hut has a total of 3 crusts. Their regular crust, their regular pan pizza, the regular pan pizza, their hand tossed or hand stretched pizza, and this new one. So ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you Pizza Hut's Mega Crunch Pizza. So I'm thinking that this is their approach to, or this is their take on Shakey's thin crust. This is the thin crust, it's crunchy, crispy. So that's what I think. They have this in all of their variants. Siyempre, iba-iba yung presyo depending on the type of flavor that you're getting. I got the spicy pepperoni. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like up close. Yeah. Clearly, it looks like a take on their thin crust. Cheers. Fun fact, yung before they named it or renamed it to hand tossed or hand stretched, you kind of have to specially request that when you're ordering from Pizza Hut and you call it thin crust. And I kind of like it better. Ooh, ang hang. Ang pala itong spicy, pepperoni. No joke. And this type of crust makes it much thinner. Okay. Not a fan. I don't hate it. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung hand stretch or yung hand toss ni Pizza Hut. Parang this is too thin. Siguro depending sa flavor. But for spicy pepperoni, you're kind of wishing that there's a little more bread. Pero hindi naman yung pan pizza. Hindi na ako fan ng pan pizza nila. Huh. Didn't expect this to be a quick and dirty review. Yeah, okay siya. I mean, you get to taste more of the topping than the bread, which is what the pan pizza is doing. But between this and the hand tossed, I'd rather get that. Excuse me. So this is the price, comparing it from in-store and through the Grab app. And yeah, I'd recommend you go and try it. Not life-changing, but okay siya. Good experience. And kung ikay medyo gipit sa pera, this is a cheaper option than their hand toss kasi nga mas mura pag yung kanilang Mega Crunch. So that's it. That's my quick and dirty review of Pizza Hut's Mega Crunch Pizza. And you can only, you can get it both in Grab and in the store. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.